Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jalapeno pickle at home. First, select firm, fresh jalapenos and slice them into consistent rounds, about 1/4 inch thick. Next, prepare your pickling brine by combining vinegar, water, sugar, and salt in a saucepan. Remember to sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly before you begin. This ensures a safe and delicious product. Now, let's create that perfect pickling brine. In a non-reactive pot, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. Bring it to a rolling boil for 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. With your brine ready, it's time to pack those peppers. Carefully fill your hot, sterilized jars with the sliced jalapenos, packing them in snugly but not crushing them. Pour the hot pickling brine over the peppers, ensuring they are fully submerged, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace. Remove any air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean and apply the lids in bands, tightening to fingertip tight. Once sealed, let your jars cool undisturbed at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. After cooling, check the seals. The center of the lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within a few days. Properly sealed jars can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, ready to add a kick to your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.